What's up everybody, it's your boy here, Abdul from Tech1. So on this video guys, I got something amazing today. This is a Huawei P20. This is a DSLR killer. We all know or we all see about Leica. We all know about Leica. They just gave a smartphone whereby that smartphone had plenty of cameras here at the back. And that kind of technology is a great technology, but that was a project whereby they're testing if the whole cameras they're working very correctly, and those kind of cameras they give you something like a good depth of field of image like a DSLR. Let me push that forward. Then we're having Huawei P20. This is not a dual camera smartphone, but this is a third camera smartphone. It has a triple camera smartphone, so there are a bunch of one camera, two camera, three cameras at the back, and this is a serious stuff, and I thought that I could share with you guys. So Huawei released Huawei P10 and we're expecting a P20 on this year. So they're like removing three Huawei's in 2018, well confirmed by the guy who he's selling the Huawei. So he said that it's a kind of like P20 will be having like triple camera at the back, and I find it's kind of like worth it because having a triple camera at the back, you get those kind of additional features of camera which are very great. We also saw that iPhone 10 gives you good depth of field, Google Pixel 2 give you a good depth of field, but it's kind of great. So this kind of stuff I think is worth it, and they'll be implementing the AI chip inside the devices, and I think it's kind of worth it. So this is a Huawei P20, and this I thought that's my first thought. I should just give it as an explanation so as you guys could catch it up with it and you just get it right. So this kind of Huawei, in my thoughts, I'm expecting something like 8 GB of RAM or even 12 GB of RAM, since we all saw that OnePlus 5T came with an 8 GB of RAM. So I think Huawei will push forward to 12 GB of RAM or even huger RAM, which would be very great. We'll see at least an octa-core, or we can see a processor which is like 2 times faster than octa-core, which is great, and we all know that they're using Snapdragon, and I think it's kind of great. It will be that much better. So I think it's kind of great and it's worth it. So this kind of Huawei P20, it's a way to go, because having 3 cameras on the phone, I find it's legit. Because just check it out guys, having 3 cameras on one single smartphone, it's kind of worth it, because you get those kind of impression, like you get a good depth of field, you get a good picture in low lighting. We all know that our smartphones in low lighting, they go crazy on that, but when you get a good smartphone, a triple camera at the back, and you get a picture like that, it's much worth it. Then another kind of stuff guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel guys, you should just go and subscribe, because it will be much better, because we're about to hit 600 subscribers. It will be that much worth it. So let me continue on this kind of stuff. This is Vivo. Vivo announced their smartphone or CES, which is kind of great, and I give thumbs up for Vivo. Vivo, they implemented something which iPhone wanted to implement it, but I think iPhone just pushed forward and went to the facial recognition. So this kind of stuff is kind of worth it. Vivo implemented a fingerprint on touch. It's kind of slow, but it's worth it. Seeing something like that in 2018, early 2018, I find it's kind of worth it, because yeah, having a fingerprint on your smartphone, it's kind of great, because we'll be seeing bunch of smartphones with a whole display. So that kind of stuff we were dreaming about as tech reviewers, I think it's kind of coming up. So I think it's kind of great. CES, they dropped the Vivo, and I think the Vivo is kind of great smartphone on the go. Synaptics did a great job. I give them a thumbs up for that, and I think it's a great smartphone out there. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very worth it, because this is an explanation, I don't have the P20 and it's not yet released, and drop a thumbs up. And another kind of stuff guys, if you didn't subscribe, I think you guys should show your boy some love. It will be very amazing, yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Peace.